First high, this could be big. He's spending more time outside the ring than in it.
Trying to get under his opponent's skin with this one.
Oh, no!
No, that's concrete damage. Edge at times doesn't seem to care about what the WWE Universe thinks.
Oh, I disagree. I think there's nothing more that Edge likes better than to rile up our fans. Oh, he's on the move again.
Edge. Into the cover, hooks the leg. One, two, three. Edge wins. Edge got it.
Please continue.
Here's your winner,
The wait is over. It's finally time for this one-on-one contest where the only way to win is by putting your opponent through a table. Somehow, someway, he figured out a way to make this even more violent.
He's got a nasty-looking object in his hands.
And again, he gets struck with that object.
This is like the high school bully that got the cheerleader. I can't help but root for any opponent that faces him.
He saw that one coming. Oh, the flesh. Look at the welts. Hold on, where's he going? This match will have a lot of big moves. One question will be, who will capitalize on those moves the best?
That was vicious. He's just brutalizing his opponent.
go. Ah! He's teetering. Oh, look out! Oh, he's on spaghetti legs now.
And just like that, Bourne has momentum on his side. Evan Bourne using his speed and quickness to take charge.
Oh, no!
No pinfalls, no disqualifications or submissions. Only one way to win, and that's to put your opponent through a table.
What's he think he's going to do with that? Ah. Oh, and did you hear the impact?
No disqualification match. Again, these men can do anything they want to each other.
The tide has turned again. They're going to fight to the end.
Yeah, I think it's obvious that he'll stop at nothing to win here tonight.
Watch out here.
And he rolls out, buying himself some breathing room. Okay, what should Evan be thinking to win this?
To be honest, he just needs to hold this in sooner rather than later.
He's going back outside. Miz, the 230-pounder from Cleveland, Ohio, possesses an incredibly aggressive and confident mindset.
Oh, did you see the force behind that?
Folks will be staying with this match to the end with no commercial interruptions.
Another vicious shot with that foreign object.
Right on the chin. He's enjoying this. You may not like Miz, and quite frankly, I don't.
You're not alone.
But you've got to give the devil his due. He's good, but he knows it.
This is it. Here he goes.
And there's more damage being done to the arm. Here's your winner. I don't know. I think he's still out.
The table's broken. His body may be in even worse shape.